In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can embed your Calendly to your website. All right, so I'm going to use Shopify as an example. And the first step is we want to open Calendly and you want to go to your scheduling. And then you will need to click on those three dots. And from here, add to website. So this is going to give you three options how you can add it to your website. So you can do inline embed, you can add pop-up widget, or you can add pop-up text, right? So if I choose inline embed, for example, and I'm going to click on continue, it's going to generate this HTML code, which you need to paste in your website. So you can also customize it. So let's say you can make the background color of it. You can make it red. You can hide page details and whatever you want. Then you want to copy the code. And in the, let's say, Shopify, I'm going to click on custom liquid. And here I'm going to paste the code. And this should embed our Calendly. All right, so the red color isn't looking good. So I'm going to probably change it to white. And I'm going to repaste the code again. And this is it. So now someone can schedule a meeting from your website. So if I click on test meeting, it's going to show you the time. So let's say I can choose 9 a.m. next, and you want to enter your details, and this is going to schedule your meeting. All right. So this is how you can embed your Calendly to a website. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.